Hi guys, Jai Shri Ram. Let's start Grok. Hi Grok.
Hey Ravi, what's up?
How are you?
I'm great, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing good. Grok, let's start with a joke.
Haha. All right. Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts. Got a better one?
I don't know much about jokes, but that was a good one.
Glad you liked it. Want another? Or something else on your mind?
I wanted to know why this stock market is going down today. It was like down 2%. What is happening?
Markets are down around 2% today. Mainly tech like chips and software taking a hit from earnings misses and AI worries. Nasdaq's off over 2% with stuff like AMD and software stocks dragging it.
That's the only reason? There is no other reason?
Pretty much. Earnings disappointments in tech like AMD down 14%, software slumps, and AI competition fears are the big drivers today. No major other headlines jumping out.
Why did AMD went down 14%? What is the earning?
AMD dropped about 14% after their earnings beat expectations, but their first quarter guidance disappointed investors. It showed a sequential revenue dip and a sharp drop in China AI chip sales to around $100 million due to regulations. Basically, the AI hype wasn't matching up with the numbers some expected.
I see. What is their guideline for the next quarter?
AMD guided for first quarter 2026 revenue around $9.8 billion, plus or minus $300 million. That's up 32% year over year, but down about 5% from last quarter, with China AI sales at just $100 million. Investors wanted more aggressive AI growth.
So you're saying it is affected due to the tariff issues with China?
It's more regulations and export restrictions than tariffs. AMD's China AI chip revenue is plunging 74% sequentially to about $100 million in Q1 due to those headwinds, despite overall solid guidance. That's spooking folks on their AI ramp up.
Okay. Which quarter will be the next quarter for AMD?
The next quarter for AMD is Q1 2026 earnings, expected around early May 2026. That's their fiscal Q1 ending March.
What is the difference between the physical Q1 on 25 and 26? What is the difference in guidance in the last quarter? Last year's quarter, the same quarter?
AMD's fiscal Q1 2026 guidance is about $9.8 billion in revenue, up 32% from actual Q1 2025 revenue of around $7.4 billion. That's strong year-over-year growth, driven by data center and AI, despite the sequential dip.
I see. Okay, it's still a good quarter. It's just that now China's market is going down. The market is going down. Okay.
Yeah, China's restrictions are hurting. Q4 had $390 million from there, but Q1 guidance drops it to just $100 million. So even with overall growth, that chunk's shrinking fast. Still a solid quarter otherwise, with data center booming.
I see. What about Google's earning today? What are the guidelines?
Alphabet's Q4 2025 earnings are today after market close. Wall Street expects about $111.3 billion revenue and $2.64 per share. Key watches their 2026 capex guidance, likely over $116 billion for AI, plus cloud at $16.2 billion this quarter.
Okay. What will be the capex last quarter? What was the capex for last quarter?
Alphabet's Q3 2025 capex was $24 billion, and they guided full year 2025 capex to $91 to $93 billion, up from $85 billion prior. No specific Q4 capex number yet, but depreciation growth is expected to pick up slightly this quarter.
I see. Thank you. What are the headlines today, Grok, other than that?
Sure, what's next on your mind? More on markets or something else?
Market, let's say.
Markets are mixed this morning. Tech's still down from yesterday's sell-off, but value stocks and small caps are gaining a bit. S&P's flat so far, Nasdaq off about 1%.
Okay. Any other news?
Enphase Energy's up 38% on strong Q1 guidance, beating estimates. Supermicro beat big, with $12.68 billion revenue and at least $40 billion for fiscal 2026. Eli Lilly jumped 8% on upbeat weight loss drug sales and 2026 outlook, while Novo Nordisk's down on weak guidance.
I see. Eli Lilly is still doing good. Nice. Okay, yeah, it's all from my side, Grok. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram. Bye.
Yeah, Lilly's killing it with those drugs. Take care. Jai Shri Ram.
Bye, guys. Jai Shri Ram.